How to earn passive income by staking cryptocurrencies is what I'm talking to you about in this video. Passive income through staking. Cryptocurrency staking has emerged as a popular method for investors to earn passive income online. By participating in the staking process, holders can support blockchain networks. And as they support the blockchain networks, they receive rewards in the form of additional tokens. This guide in this video will explore how staking works, the benefits of staking, and how newcomers like you and I can get started with earning passive income through staking cryptocurrencies. Now, what is staking? Before I go on to talk about what is staking, I need to let you know that this is Dr. Olubegade TV. On this channel, I teach you how to make money both offline and online. I have focused over the past 4 to 5 years on making money offline. I've spoken about so many businesses, about on offline businesses, and now I'm focusing on online businesses, and specifically I am focusing on cryptocurrencies. So come along and you'll be glad you joined this channel. What is staking? Staking involves locking up a certain amount of cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network that uses a proof of stake consensus mechanism. By staking their tokens, investors help validate transactions and secure the network, and in return, they earn rewards. Some popular cryptocurrencies that offer staking include number one, Ethereum. Ethereum transitioned to a proof of stake model with Ethereum 2.0, allowing holders to stake their ETH to earn rewards. Another one is Cardano. Cardano's staking mechanism enables users to earn rewards while maintaining control of their funds. Polkadot. Polkadot uses a nominated proof of stake model where nominators can stake their tokens to earn rewards by backing validators. There are many others that are available. Now, what are the benefits of staking? Number one benefit of staking is passive income. Staking allows investors to earn rewards simply by holding their cryptocurrency. The rewards are typically distributed regularly, providing a steady income stream. Number two benefit of staking is network security. By staking their tokens, investors contribute to the security and stability of the blockchain network, helping to prevent attacks and maintain consensus. Number three is participation in governance. Many staking protocols allow token holders to participate in governance decisions, giving them a voice in the future of the cryptocurrency project. Number four is potential for price appreciation. In addition to earning rewards, stake tokens can appreciate in value over time, enhancing overall returns on investment. Now, how do you get started with staking? Number one thing you need to do to get started with staking is to choose the right cryptocurrency. Research various cryptocurrencies that offer staking and select one that aligns with your investment goals. Look for projects with strong fundamentals, active communities, and transparent roadmaps. Set up a wallet. That is number two. To stake your tokens, you need a compatible wallet. Many cryptocurrencies offer native wallets, or you can use third-party wallets that support staking. Number three way to make it in staking or how to stake is to select a staking platform. Some exchanges like Coinbase and Binance allow users to stake cryptocurrencies directly on their platforms. Alternatively, you can use dedicated staking services or decentralized finance platforms. Number four way to start staking is to stake your tokens. Once you've chosen a platform, follow the instructions to stake your tokens. This process usually involves selecting a validator or pool and specifying the amount you want to stake. Number five way to start staking is to monitor your reward. After you have staked, you have to monitor what you staked. Keep track of your staked assets and the rewards you earn. Most platforms provide dashboards to monitor your staking performance and adjust your strategy if needed. Risk and considerations when staking. While staking offers numerous benefits, it's essential to be aware of potential risks. Number one potential risk is market volatility. The value of stake tokens can fluctuate significantly, impacting overall returns. So the value of stake token can fluctuate upwards and it can also fluctuate downwards. So that is why you need to monitor. Then liquidity risk is another one you should look out for. Some staking platforms may impose lock-up periods like on Binance, limiting your ability to withdraw your tokens during that time. Then you have to be aware also and know about technical risks. Ensure you use reputable wallets and platforms to minimize risks associated with hacks and security breaches. So these are the ways that you can stake. And this is Dr. Olubegadetun TV. I make a bold that if you come to this channel for 6 months and your life does not change, and you watch my video consistently for 6 months every day, different videos, and you take action about them, and your life does not change in the right direction, then you should stop watching or coming around on this channel. That is my boast, because I am very certain that you are going to get better as you come along on this channel. So this is how to earn passive income through staking, and this is how to earn passive income by staking cryptocurrencies. I'm going to talk to you in the next one, but before then, this video popping up by the side is the next you need to watch from my channel. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video, comment and ask your question in the comment section below. Many people come to my DM because my phone number is somewhere somewhere around this channel, and they just come and ask me questions, and I direct them back to this channel. They'll go back to the channel and ask me any question you want to ask. If you ask me any question on this channel, I am going to respond. So what is the use? When you ask your question on this channel, other people will be able to gain from the question you have asked and from the answer I have given. And in fact, other people can now contribute to that question and make you yourself and myself to have greater understanding of this crypto space. But if you have personal questions that you know that this question is personal, you don't want to discuss it with others, then come around and let me know that the question is personal, and I'm going to take it, I'm going to listen to you. But if you come to me by DM or by call and you're asking me some questions, I'm going to direct you back to my YouTube channel where I will ask you to ask your question. So make sure that you understand and you know what you want to say, you know what you want to do, everything, before you come around to start asking me a question in my DM. So ask any question you want to ask on this channel, and we are going to make necessary progress together. So this is how to make passive income through staking on cryptocurrencies. So I'm going to talk to you in the next one. Please share this video and like it, and love this video. This video popping up by the side on my channel, as I said, is the next you need to watch. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.